troubling news now, as research just in shows that today's youth will suffer the most from recent world events.
Economists fear global instability could lead to uncertainty in the job market for years ahead.
So for those 20-somethings in 2021, you could say more than ever is a journey into the unknown.
Tell me something I don't know.
No.
Journey into the unknown. Journey into the unknown. Beacon of hope elsewhere.
Years ahead of schedule, the president of Brazil's indigenous region has announced that the Amazon rainforest has regrown to 90% of its former size.
Is this for real?
Please welcome our next guest, Alex Kretinsky.
Alex, it's you, but older and cooler.
This time, the tech maverick has done something impossible. That's him with a real live dodo, officially unextinct.
Extending sleep 60%. Now, color change.
This is where it all started, but how exactly does it power a whole city using just photosynthesis? Let's just say it's all in the plants.
Und 10G Satellit eingesetzt. Mission accomplished.
Guys, remember, there's still scholarships available for my Skills Academy, where you can train alongside the best to be the best. So don't be a stranger, be a player.
So here it is, fully funded and ready to go.
I want to thank you all for your hard work, and she'll kill me for this, but I couldn't have done it without this one. You're the best wife ever.
Truly a golden generation of game changers.
Told you I was good.